Have you ever felt nervous about going to the dentist? Maybe your heart beats faster, your hands get sweaty, or you just really don't like the sound of the drill. If so, you're definitely not alone. Amongst both kids and adults, dental anxiety is more common than you might think. Today, I want to tell you about some exciting research that's helping kids feel braver at the dentist office, using therapy dogs. When people are anxious, it doesn't just change how they feel. It actually affects their bodies too. When we experience fear, it's not just an emotion. It triggers a biological stress response. This can cause our heart rate to increase, our muscles to tense up, and our bodies to release hormones like cortisol, a chemical that prepares us to react to danger. While this response is helpful if you're running from a bear, it's not so helpful when you're just sitting in a dentist chair. Over time, avoiding the dentist because of fear can lead to bigger health problems, and not just for your teeth. That's why researchers at the Adams School of Dentistry at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill wanted to find a solution. Dr. Laura Jacox, a scientist who studies dental health and patient care, asked a big question. Could therapy dogs reduce stress in young dental patients? To find out, Dr. Jacox and her team at Jacox Lab designed a scientific study. They recruited kids who were already coming in for dental checkups to participate. They used a controlled experimental design, meaning the kids were randomly assigned to 3 different groups. First, the no-dog group. These kids relaxed by coloring or reading before their appointments, but didn't meet a dog. Second, the short dog visit group. These kids got a few minutes to play and cuddle with a therapy dog before seeing the dentist. Third, the full visit dog group. These lucky kids had a therapy dog with them the entire time, even during their checkup. The researchers collected both subjective and objective data. Subjective data included self-reported feelings, how anxious or calm the kids said they felt. Objective data included measurable biomarkers like heart rate and cortisol levels, plus observations of body language such as fidgeting or signs of tension. The results were clear. Children who interacted with therapy dogs showed significantly lower heart rates, lower cortisol levels, and reported feeling less afraid. Some kids even said they were excited to return to the dentist, especially to see the therapy dogs again. There's one story about a boy who met a fluffy white therapy dog named Sugar. After his visit, he told his mom he wanted to go to the dentist every week just so he could hang out with Sugar again. Research like this is important because it shows that science can help solve everyday problems, not just by inventing new machines or medicines, but by finding new ways to care for people's minds and bodies. And it reminds us that scientific experiments don't always happen in a lab full of beakers. Sometimes they happen in a dentist office with a kid, a dentist, and a friendly dog, making smiles happen. Literally. So, next time you're feeling nervous about something, just remember, science and a wagging tail might just be the perfect cure. Thanks for listening.